Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey little artists! Today, we're going to draw a cool shark and give it some awesome colors. So grab your marker, and let's dive in. First, I grab my marker and let's get started. I begin by drawing the shark's body, kind of like an oval shape.
Yahoo!
Next, I add the pectoral fins and the tail. Then, it's time for the dorsal fin on top, the one that sticks out of the water. Now, I draw a divider line to separate two different color zones. Let's not forget the gills, add them in. Then I draw the mouth, sharp teeth, and a big eye.
Yeah!
Wow! Our shark drawing is complete. Now it's time for the most fun part, coloring. Let's do it! First, I pick blue for the body, because sharks usually look bluish. I mix in some purple and add a gradient touch to the fins, tail, and gills. Here, I use a bit of dark color to make it pop. And for the mouth, I go with red to make it look fierce. Finally, I go over the lines again to make everything clean and bold. Our colorful shark is all done and looking amazing. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next fun drawing. This is Tiny Hands Art, and I'll see you next time. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Bye!